Righto guys, it's a very cold and snowy morning in Sunny Corner. This is the last day of our trip, so I left the swag pack set up for the last 2 days and it's handled it really well. So now we've got to pack it up, and the unfortunate thing is we've got to get going at this time of day. So as you can see, it's pretty bloody wet and covered in ice. So I've never packed up a swag in weather like this, so I guess we'll see how we go. The things that are playing in our favour is the swag bag is massive, and it's so wet that I'm gonna have to pull it out when I get home anyway, so I'm not too worried about packing it in. I'm just going to throw it in the bag and deal with it later. So I've got this mat. I'll flip that over, get some of the snow off it, and then I'll probably just roll it on top of that. Hopefully it won't be too bad. And I've got the shovel, so I'm just going to scrape some of the ice. It's actually ice, not so much snow today. Yesterday it was this nice fluffy snow, but today it's pretty icy. So I'm just going to go around it with the shovel and just scrape some of that hard ice off, and yeah, hopefully it all goes smooth. Righto, I've cleaned it down the best I can. Another benefit to this type of swag is it's a freestanding swag, so it's got no pegs in it, and these ropes have been pulled out of the ground. So what I can do is just pick it up and move it to where I want it, and then yeah, I'll pull the poles out of it. I'll just fix that up a little bit, but yeah, I'll pull the poles out of it and then start rolling it up. So I've just fixed that up a little bit. Firstly, unclip the top poles as normal. Pull this one out. So this one splits up into 3 bits. And then just all the end poles. There you go folks, easy as that. I'll just chuck it in the bag, put the poles in their own little bag. Easy as that. Now these are a massive bag, so there's not going to be any dramas fitting that in there. And also we've got the mat, obviously. I didn't use it on this trip because honestly it was just going to get covered in snow anyway, and it's fully waterproof, so the water runs off it, can run back to your swag, can run away from it, whatever. But you just pick when you use it. It's awesome in dry weather. We've got a different variant coming out as an optional extra. It's going to be more of a multi-purpose for wet ground and all sorts, so keep an eye out for that one. Not a worry at all. So the good thing about having the bag as well is when I throw this inside my car, there's literally no snow on it, so pretty bloody stoked with that. I'm going to do a video shortly of how to get a double swag into this same bag. It's more for the people that want a double swag but are limited on space. Yeah, it's super handy because it actually fits in the back of the Prado and closing the door easier than this single one does. Just the way you fold it. So it's another option anyway. As you see, it goes in there pretty easily. So now I can just put this in the car and I don't even make a mess. There you go, guys. That's how you fold up a Ranger Supply Co swag into the Wrench and Snow. Anyway, I'll deal with this mat and I'll see you on the next one.